Ladies and gentlemen, it is February 20th, also known as National Handcuff Day, and is National Handcuff Day today to commemorate on this day in 1912 when George A. Carney filed for U.S. patent number 1017955 for his invention, a lightweight and adjustable swing-through ratchet-style handcuff, which revolutionized things because, well, you could apply it with one hand. Two years later, in 1914, police commissioner for Springfield, Massachusetts, James Milton Gill, founded the Peerless Handcuff Company and purchased the U.S. patent rights from Mr. Carney. Mr. Gill then approached a friend of his who had the means to put his idea into production, a Mr. Joseph H. Wesson of, you guessed it, Smith & Wesson. Let me make sure I don't mess myself up this time. And their relationship would continue until 1940, when Smith & Wesson decided to break away from Peerless to focus on efforts to support the Allies in World War II. Of course, they would later get back into the handcuff manufacturing game. Otherwise, I wouldn't have this pair right here. Thank you for watching. Maybe you learned something. And thank you to Studini for making all this possible. Outro. This is the mother... Well, let's keep this PG. This is the mother humping outro. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you all have a very nice day.